Grass Valley has been in continuous operation for more than 60 years and the first to manufacture a production switcher.
Grass Valley is focused on the technologies of video and audio to enable the creation of television and media.
They've been a dominating presence in major sports venues and areas around the world. And you can find Grass Valley solutions in nearly every NFL stadium.
We have a wide range of products to do that. Production switchers is kind of in the core, the center, kind of call it the heart of any facility. And so Grass Valley is invested in all those areas so that we can bring a complete solution to the market.
Grass Valley has been the industry leader in high-performance solutions for live productions for broadcast and over-the-top content.
Oh, the history of Grass Valley is really kind of interesting. It's a very, very small town in Northern California, and it's kind of interesting that people kind of wanted to kind of migrate away from the Bay Area, and all of a sudden there's this hub of video technology in a small town like Grass Valley.
Grass Valley was formed here in Grass Valley, California in 1959 by Dr. Hare. He came up from Palo Alto area.
He got 5 or 6 top-notch design engineers and started making products. Then it went from that to a production switcher and then into multiple avenues of broadcast television.
Grass Valley kind of went through multiple transitions. It was privately held by Dr. Hare. Then it was kind of part of a Tektronix organization. It was then moved to a French company, Thompson. It was owned by then bankers, and then ultimately it merged with Miranda. It kind of put a lot of technology all together from an area and a concentration of anything from cameras to replay to switchers to routers to all kinds of different parts of what a production would actually be. My concentration is switchers, and that's really the hub of what Grass Valley was all about.
Grass Valley system can be customized to perfectly match a studio, no matter the geography or style, and it is the only one that covers the entire live production workflow, from cameras to high-speed instant replay, integrating discrete components of these solutions.
So here at Brandstar, we produce a lot of shows in our studio. To turn the show, to get it ready for air, we have to do that very fast. And so what Grass Valley is giving us the capability to do is record and have all the great effects and stuff already pre-built into the video that goes into the K2 Summit, which the editors can edit directly off of, or it goes into our Facilisand, which we can have everything integrate for our workflow.
So when we look at switchers in general, I look at switchers to develop switchers in 2 basic ways. One is innovation, and the other one is evolution. And evolution can be just as important as innovation. So when we look at evolution, we look at what can I do, or what can I bring to a TD's job or an EIC's job that makes his life easier.
We do HD video. We're also 4K ready now, and also IP video. So instead of using baseband video, we're using IP. So all the devices that talk to the switcher are done via IP.
As productions have grown and on-air looks have grown as well, it's making the equipment do what we want to see on the air that's creative, that's eye-popping, and make it as easy as possible. So that's how a switcher has to, where I look at it and where we look at it as Grass Valley, evolving the product into making it easier to operate, easier to understand, easier to handle the things that productions actually need.
Very easy to use, very intuitive. It's Windows-based on the menu, and it's also touchscreen. We have the best support in the industry. They've been around for years. We have a lot of experience.
Regardless of the size of the studio or project, Grass Valley can deliver the full spectrum of equipment to cover the entire production workflow, integrating the latest technology customized to their client needs and keeping the technology with the latest trends in our industry.
Grass Valley equipment has been at the center of producing a lot of major events and stories over time. Examples are various Olympic events, the Super Bowl, all the major events that occur around the world, Grass Valley has a place.
And the bottom line is more and more of that content is really what's pushing viewers. So it really means that the eyeballs are really focused on live production. Well, ultimately, Grass Valley's focus is live production.
And that future holds a lot of innovation. Today it's innovation around IP technology. Tomorrow it's innovation around cloud-based products and software as a service type products.
The user interfaces that we've developed over the last 60 years are going to stay relevant for many years to come. I see it in one sense as some stability in terms of how we interact, but lots of innovation sort of behind the scenes in how the video and the audio and the metadata are all processed.
I think we do great things in the industry and for our broadcast customers, and we're really focused on innovating with them into the future.
The ability of being able to build a show, take a show on the road, then load it into another switcher, then recall that for another one, and then edit it, and then take it on the road again and again and again is really important for the industry in general.
Grass Valley has been recognized with 33 Emmy statues and 2 citations conferred by the National Academy of Television Arts and Sciences and the Television Academy for Technology Achievements that have advanced the state of the art in television.
We're constantly providing our customers with new tools to use to tell the story differently. We evolve with our customers through changes in broadcast technology as the formats change, as consumer screens change. We provide them with tools that allow them to reach all those consumers.
We're continuing to innovate in the user interface and the control panels and how they feel.
We listen to users and incorporate what they need to do their job in our product. And that's kind of what makes Grass Valley, I think, stand apart from everybody else.